Morning to all. Let us start the chapter number 16, that is perimeter and area of plane figure. Exercise 16a. Last class I have completed 1, 2, 3. Just today I am going from number 5. The perimeter of a triangle is equal to 48 meter and its sides are in the ratio 13:12:5. Find the area of triangle. Okay. Means ratio of 3 sides given and perimeter given. How to find out area of triangle? Just to see. Number 5. Perimeter given how much? Perimeter triangle given 48 meters. Ratio of 3 sides given. Ratio of 3 sides given 13:12:5. Okay. Ratio of 3 sides given. So let the 3 sides be. Let the 3 sides be 13x, 12x, and 5x. So now perimeter formula is what? Perimeter sum of 3 sides, that means 13x plus 12x plus 5x is equal to 48. Now you add all the sides. How much coming? 13 plus 12, 25, 25 plus 5, 30. 30x equal to 48. Then x is equal to 48 by 30. Divided by 3, 10. 16 3 are 48. Therefore x is equal to 1.6. X is equal to coming 1.6. Okay. After finding the x, then the first side, suppose A equal to 13x, means 13 into 1.6. Second side, that is 12x, 12 into 1.6, you have to multiply. And third side, that is C, 5x, 5 into 1.6. Now you multiply, you will get the C side of the triangle. Just multiply. Therefore, first side 20.8, second side of the triangle 19.2, and third side of the triangle 8.0 meter. Okay. By using Heron's formula, area of triangle formula is what? S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C root over. S means semi-perimeter. Here perimeter given, perimeter triangle given 48 meter. So this implies S will be semi-perimeter, 48 half will be 24 meter. Semi-perimeter coming 24 meter. Now you apply here 24, then 24 minus 20.8, then 24 minus S minus B, second B means 19.2, then 24 minus 8.0 root over. It is coming 24 into 24 minus 20.8. Just to subtract and write in multiplication. Now you see, after subtraction you are getting 24 into 3.2 into 4.8 into 16. Now 24 into 32 by 10, 48 by 10 into 16. Now 10 into 10 in denominator. 24 means 3 into 8. 32 means 4 into 8. 48 minus 3 into 16 and into 16. There are, out of 216 I will take 116. Out of 216 I will take 116. Out of 28 I will take 18. And out of 23 I will take 13. And 4 ka root over will be 2. And here out of 210 I will take only 110. Okay. Now just multiply. How much coming? 16 3 ja, just multiply. 8 3 ja 24, 24 2 ja 768. If you multiply 8 3 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48, 16 into 40 comes 768 by 10. Now it is coming 76.8 meter square. 76.8 meter square. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to how much? Therefore, area of triangle area of triangle is equal to 76.8 meter square. Okay. In this one, question number 5 completed. Let us go next number. Question number 6. The sides of a triangle are 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and 25 centimeter. Find the altitude to its longest side. Which is the longest side here? 25 centimeter. How to find area of triangle? By using Heron's formula. Before that, you have to find semi-perimeter. Okay. So first we'll see question number 6. What is given here? All the three sides given. You have to find out semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equal to, first to find 2s, perimeter of the triangle. S means perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle means sum of three sides, that is 15 plus 20 plus 25. Coming how much? 35 plus 25, 60 centimeter. Therefore, S equal to semi-perimeter 60 by 2. How much coming? 30 centimeter. S is equal to semi-perimeter you are getting. After finding S, then you have to find out Heron's formula, area of triangle. By area of triangle will be S minus A, S minus B, S minus C root over. So here S means 30 minus 15, then 30 minus 20, then 30 minus 25. That means it is coming 30 into 30 minus 15, 15, 20 minus 30 minus 20, 10, and 30 minus 25, 5. Now you see, just break here. 3 into 10, 30. 15 means 3 into 5, and this is 10 into 5. Out of 2 10, I will take 1 10. Out of 2 5, I will take 1 5. And out of 2 3, I will take 1 3. 3 5 is 15, 15 10 is 150 centimeter square. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to coming 150 centimeter square. Now, area equal to how much? Half base into height. Half base into height. Area you got 150 centimeter square. Half. You have to take base is the longest side. Which is the longest side? 25 centimeter. Base is the longest side into height. Means if you draw the figure, like this, the longest side is 25 centimeter, and you have to draw perpendicular on this side. This is the figure. And this one is 15 centimeter, and this one is 20 centimeter. Three sides given like this. Suppose ABC is a triangle. Now, the AC is equal to how much? 150 into 2 divided by 25. 25 6 jana. 25 6 is 150. Therefore, AC is equal to 12 centimeter. The length of the perpendicular drawn from opposite vertex to the longest side coming 12 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer of number 6. In this way, 2 questions completed. Let us go next one. Let us see question number 7. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 50 meters. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle 50 meters and its base is 24 meters. Calculates area. Perimeter means isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. First to draw one isosceles triangle. Okay. Number 7. So this is an isosceles triangle. In this isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. The perimeter of isosceles triangle is given 50 meter and its base is 24 meter. Base given 24 meter. Okay, base given 24 meter. Let this side be x. Each ABC is a triangle having two sides equal. Base given 24. Perimeter given 50 meter. The perimeter means sum of three sides, x plus 24 equal to 50. Therefore 2x is equal to 24, you subtract that, so this will be 26, x coming 13 meter. 13 meters. Therefore each equal side is equal to 13 meters. Therefore area of triangle formula will be s minus a, s minus b, s minus c root over. S means semi perimeter. S means semi perimeter by 2, perimeter 50, 50 by 2 equal to 25 meters. Perimeter 50 given in the question. As for the question, the semi perimeter S is equal to 25 meters. Now put this value. 25, 4 into 25 minus 13, 25 minus 13, 25 minus 24 root over. How much coming? 25 minus 13 coming 12, 25 minus 13 coming 12, and it is 1. Out of 2 12, I will take 1 12, 25 root over is 5. That means 12 5 is 60 meter square. Therefore area of triangle is equal to 60 meter square. In this way, question number 7, 60 meter square. 7 number complete. Let us see question number 8. Last question to I do, question number 8. The sides of a triangle given, see, the sides of a triangle are 26 cm, 28 cm and 30 cm. Find the altitude corresponding to the base 30 cm. Same process you have to solve. Number 8. First to draw one triangle, scalene triangle. If suppose ABC is a triangle having three sides, 26 cm, 28 cm and 30 cm. And you have to find out the longest altitude on the longest side. This you have to find out. This is the figure. So first of all you find S. S means semi perimeter. Perimeter by 2. Perimeter is sum of three sides. 26 plus 28 plus 30 divided by 2. How much it is coming? 26 plus 28 coming 54. 54 plus 30, 54 plus 30, 84 by 2 coming 42. 42 centimeter is a semi perimeter. After finding the semi perimeter, therefore area is equal to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C root over. Here S is equal to 42, 42 minus 30, 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28 root over. Now just see 42 minus 30 coming 12, 42 minus 26 coming 16, 42 minus 28 is coming 14. Now you see here, this is 42 means 14 3 are 42, 14 3 are 42, and this is 12 means 3 into 4, 3 into 4, and 16 4 into 4, and this one is 14. Now you see there are two 14s are there. Here for 2 14 you will take 1 14. There are 2 3 you will take 1 3. There are 2 4 you will take 1 4, and another 4 ka root over will be 2. Now just multiply, how much coming? Just multiply, you will get the result, area of the triangle. Now you see area equal to coming 336 centimeter square. After that you have to find out the length of altitude drawn from opposite vertex to the side, the longest side, that is 30 centimeters. So now you have to apply the formula area of triangle equal to half base into height. Just to say area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Just I am doing here. Area is equal to half base into height. Area equal to how much you got? 336. 336 is equal to half. Base is equal to, you have to take 30 into height. This is altitude. It will go by 2, 15. Therefore, S is equal to 336 by 15. Just divide how much coming? 336 divided by 15 coming 22.4. 22.4. Therefore, S is equal to 22.4 centimeter. Okay. The length of the perpendicular drawn from opposite vertex to the side 30 centimeter is equal to 22.4. In this way, few questions today have completed. Thank you for today's class. Next day, do more sums.